A super quick demo of the new Glean Annotations feature, available for all applications that are in the Glean dictionary. So the idea here is that often when using a Glean metric in an analysis, you might encounter funny things that are worth writing about for the next person who looks at the metric. Or, you might just have some sort of body of work that you think might be useful to somebody. So what this feature adds is a free-form section inside every metric where you can add this type of information. So let's take a look at how this works. Let's look at Firefox for Android, and let's take a look at some random metric. Say this one, add-ons has enabled add-ons. So as it says, whether or not the user has enabled add-ons on this device, it's a Boolean metric. Probably not a lot to say about this, or maybe there is. So all of this should be familiar except for this section, which is new. So what this says right here, since there's no commentary yet, it says no commentary for this metric, add some. So we'll go ahead and click that. And what that does is it's redirecting us to the Glean Annotations repository, which is basically a big collection of Markdown documents with where the annotations for metrics like the one you just saw will be stored. And if there isn't a metric already, you'll just get this simple starter template, which doesn't have much in it, but already you see sort of a hint at what you can sort of put in here, which is basically anything in Markdown. So this will get nicely translated into HTML. That's nice to read when you look at the Clean Dictionary. As it says, I recommend looking at the contributing guidelines before making any modifications. But yeah, that's the idea. You can write some stuff here, um, create a pull request, get somebody to review your work. To start, I'd recommend somebody in data science or data engineering. Um, and then you're sort of off to the races. Just to give you a quick idea of what it looks like for a metric, which does have some annotations already. Let's take a look at this one. Um, Actually, so this is just placeholder content, but it gives you the right idea, right? So, nicely rendered HTML content. And then if we edit it, you'll see that, this is just standard Markdown. So yes, thank you. Go forth and annotate.